Here's a few pieces of Koroit Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres. Material's wetted to help highlight, bring out the colours and patterns in the stone. This is probably some pipe material in it. Could be fossilised small twigs that is fossilised and then been replaced with the opal. As you can see here, they seem to go through. Just going a bit closer. Okay, here's this piece again. You can see the little spots. Some of those go through. It's the larger one up the top. A few pieces of this. It's boulder, so I sliced it up and just put it together. It's a nice stone. This piece, don't think it's from the same stone, hasn't got the same sort of patterns, more just typical Koroit with a pattern. Another pipe. It's getting towards the outside of the rock where it was broken off. This one's a larger piece. The opal coming right through. Another piece over here. And, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.